Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Circle to search. First, navigate to your device's settings menu. Look for the Display or Advanced Features section, as the exact location can vary slightly between models. Once there, you will find the option to toggle on Circle to search. This simple step activates the core functionality, allowing you to begin using this powerful tool almost immediately. Make sure your device has the latest software updates for the best experience. To activate Circle to search, simply press and hold the Home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. You will notice a subtle visual cue, often a shimmering effect or a distinct border, indicating the feature is ready. This action brings up the search interface without interrupting your current application. It's designed for seamless integration, allowing you to quickly initiate a search based on what you see. This method is consistent across compatible devices. Now, let's focus on attracting your first clients. Implement content marketing strategies, like blogging or video creation, to provide valuable information and attract potential leads. Network actively with other professionals in your industry to find collaboration opportunities and referrals. Consider offering an introductory service or a small project at a reduced rate to gain initial customer trust and gather valuable testimonials. For the most accurate results, try to circle the object of interest as clearly and precisely as possible. Avoid including too much background noise in your selection. A strong and stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular data, will significantly speed up the search process, delivering information almost instantly. Remember, the clearer your input, the more precise the search outcome will be, enhancing your overall experience with this innovative feature.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.